Hello, it's Virgie from 17 UK. Today we're going to make these gorgeous granny square style fingerless gloves. They're really easy and fun to make, and I hope you like it. For today's tutorial we will need some yarn of your choice. I'm using a double knit. It is 100% premium acrylic. It does say to use 4mm hook. I'm going to use 5. We need some yarning needle and scissors. Let's make it. We will start with magic ring. We are going to make a granny square. So we're going to chain 3, and we're going to use double crochet. This is American terms. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So we are going to make the middle of the granny square. So we'll do 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then we'll do another 3 double crochet. Now chain 2 and a third set of 3 double crochets. Chain 2, and the last corner, the last side, actually it will be the last 3. And now we're going to do the last corner, chain 2. Before we connect to the first double crochet, we're going to close the magic ring. Okay, we've closed the center. And now we're going to do a slip stitch here in the first double crochet. So I'll show you how you can do a very nice round without moving across. So the second round we're going to do chain 3, 2, 3, and we are going to work in this gap here, the corner, another 2 double crochet. So this is half of the corner. Then in this second corner we are going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, so we can keep the corner as a corner. One, 2, 3, then chain 2, okay, we finish with the second corner. So we do chain 2 only in the corner. In between corners we don't, we just go straight to the next double crochet. Chain 2. And we move to the third corner. Sorry, what I meant is this is half of the first corner. This is the whole second corner, the whole third corner. We'll do the whole fourth corner and go back to corner number 1 to complete it. Don't want to confuse you. And we are completing the first corner now. With 2 chain. Okay, we've done our 2 rounds now. We need to do 2 more, exactly the same ones. I'll just show you again how to do the first corner, and then I'll meet you at the end of the 4th round. So we chain 3, and then we go in the 2 chain gap here. And then we continue as normal on the sides in between. We don't chain 2, we chain 2 only at the corners. So if you continue going around, this is the 3rd round, and then 1 more, and I'll meet you then. We have finished the 4th round of the granny square. We'll do the same thing. We'll just do slip stitch here. Oops. We do chain 2, and we do slip stitch to close the 4th round. So now we're going to do our last 5th round, and we'll do chain 3, and we'll do exactly the same thing in the corner. We'll work 3 double crochets in the corner. Here we'll do 2 more. But then we work in each stitch another double crochet. So we are not going to do granny square, we'll do just double crochets around. So in each side we need to have 18 double crochets. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and now the 3 corner one, 16, 17, 18. So this is one side. Then we chain 2 and do the rest of the sides the same. So we start with 3 in the corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and now 3 in the corner, 16, 17, 18, and chain 2. So you continue and do the other 2 sides, and I'll meet you here in this corner. We have finished our 5th round, and now we are finishing it with chain 2 and attach it.
We will continue in part 2.
Stitch. So go ahead and do a second square of this, and then we will do actually the whole glove. We will assemble it together.